In the beginning years of the Cold War, a Canadian aerospace engineering company called Avro Canada designed a new interceptor jet. Contracted by the Canadian government, Avro built the CF-100 jet, CF-103 jet, and the CF-105 jet, called the Arrow. The main purpose of the Arrow was to stop Soviet bombers from crossing over the North Pole and dropping nuclear weapons. In order to accomplish this task, the Arrow was made to be an incredibly advanced plane, capable of traveling at twice the speed of sound using 2 turbojet engines with armament capabilities for up to 4 missiles and a computerized flight control and weapons system. To allow it to achieve this speed, the delta wing was designed to allow the plane to carry more fuel and generate lift and reduce drag while flying at supersonic speeds. The first flight on March 25, 1958 broke 4 different speed records, floating through the sky like it was weightless. Eventually, 6 of these aircraft were built, but only 5 were flown before the project's cancellation. 4 pilots tested this plane, but before it could be moved into more widespread use, the Diefenbaker government deemed it too costly with too little benefit. This is understandable, as the project cost $1.1 billion to the Canadian government, and Avro had no luck selling this plane to other nations. Upon cancellation, over 14,000 workers were laid off, and the planes were torn apart, sold to a scrapyard, and the documents were destroyed. Sadly, the aftermath resulted in a large amount of skilled workers leaving Canada to join NASA and other institutions. Though it was ultimately unsuccessful, it became a cultural icon for the nation's Air Force. The project also demonstrated Canadian ingenuity and innovation, plus its willingness to take a chance on our people, if only for a short time.